Is here to talk about our forecast. Hi, Jordan.
How you doing, Chris? Well, we are back in that warm pattern, and it's just going to get even warmer just ahead of this next frontal system. And why is that? So we basically have a warm front. It's coming off of the Gulf of Mexico. It's bringing what we call warm air advection, just a lot of warm air and also pretty moist air because it's coming off the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to bring us near record heat as we head into tomorrow. It does also give us the chance for some of those afternoon thunderstorms. Very small chance. I got just 20% for tomorrow, most of which is just going to remain to the east of I-35. Current Doppler net right now not showing a whole lot of activity, a little bit of that cloud cover. Overall, we're just getting that southerly wind, so we are getting that hot, dry air moving in from the south. As a result, burn bands, yeah, we got them back in the region where we're continuing to extend those out as well. So just be sure to check with your local officials regarding if you want to burn anything before you go ahead and do so, just because it's hot, it's dry, and before this front comes through, we got some pretty strong winds coming in the region. So last thing we want is for any of this to spread. For tomorrow morning, well, you're going to start off a little bit of that cloud cover. Then as we get into the afternoon, boom, pretty quickly, a couple of those pop-up showers, maybe very small possibility of hitting Killeen Temple. Then it pushes out more so into Centerville, Franklin, Cameron, Georgetown. That's where we can see a couple of those afternoon scattered showers as well as thunderstorms. Thursday, this is when the front comes through. We're going to have some pretty strong winds and not a whole lot of activity. Nice clear skies throughout the region. Severe weather outlook, pretty low, just general thunderstorm risk for tomorrow. And tonight, warm and muggy because of this warm air coming off the Gulf of Mexico. 66 for tonight. Tomorrow, hot and gusty. That is not what you want to hear this in the middle of October. 96 is going to be the high for tomorrow. Places like Waco could be even warmer than that, but we'll have the updates for you then. Here's your 7-day planner, always a weekend forecast. Winds are going to be picking up as this front comes through. Really not noticing a big difference in terms of temperatures. Overnights will be a little bit cooler. My eyes are heading toward the weekend. We're talking Sunday. We're going to have a next frontal system come through. That's when we can start to see a little bit higher rain chances and some big time temperature drops as long as the models hold true, Chris.
Yeah, highs not even to 70 degrees. That would be amazing, Jordan. Finally, fall would show up. We'll take it. Thank you.